and if all you have to do is just hold it this way and boom, it opens. So it's a clear hidden feature. And how does it open? Got it here, weirdest knife ever made. This is like a hidden opener, so there's no way to open it. There's no like little thumb studs, no nail pusher, and if you don't know what this knife about, there's no way you can open it. But if I just grab it like that and boom, it's all of a sudden opened. This is the knife maker, and they said here, if you can figure it out what it says, the model of it and stuff like that, scale something something, there you go. But what's so beautiful about it, obviously this is a high-end knife, high-end materials. It's a liner lock, super easy to close it and very smooth, except right here you kind of got like assisted motion like that, and it locks in, so now you cannot open it. You can pull as much as you want, you can try to get pliers and it won't open. And if all you have to do is just hold it this way and boom, it opens. So it's a clear hidden feature. And how does it open? This side here, the whole handle moves from the bottom to the top. So all I have to do is just twist it a little bit and it opens. One more time, look at that blade. I really like how they did the design on a blade. I don't know how they treated the blade this way. It is really thin at the end over here. Beautiful, unique knife for sure. Also, this is so easy to put your finger in and open it. Super smooth till it comes to this assisted part. Boom. So easy to open it. Unless you don't know how to. It's kind of hard. So yeah, that's beautiful. Don't you guys think? One of a kind. There's a clip. Carbon fiber, really nice design, beautiful clip. These things are pretty expensive, they cost them. So yeah, you just hold it this way and boom, just press a little bit, it's assisted, opens up. You don't have to have thumb stubs or anything. It's kind of like a hidden feature, so that's kind of one of a kind for sure. And the blade is just so amazing. I love how they treated it this way. Probably did it by hand. So what do you guys think? Same thing if I push it from the bottom. Let's see if it will work. It did. So you can push it from the bottom or the top. Whatever is easier for you. You can push it right here or right here. This way or this way. And it will open. Kind of unique. Don't you guys think? Definitely weirdest knife ever made. Going into that category collection. I like that one a lot.